Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. My name is Gindra Chayana, a student of the undergraduate program in economic education with a concentration in accounting at the Faculty of Economic and Business State University of Jakarta, class of 2021. Today, I will be presenting my seminar proposal titled The Effect of Financial Literacy Lifestyle and Trust on Intention to Use Online Loans Among Students of the Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta in 2021. The research is conducted under the supervision of my academic advisor. Supervision 1 is Mrs. Erika Takida and Supervisor 2 is Mr. Ahmad Fauzi. In this presentation, I will cover the following section. Chapter 1 is Introduction, Chapter 2 is Overview, and Chapter 3 is Research Method. Chapter 1 is Introduction. To begin, I will provide an overview of the background of this research. According to OJK data as of August 2024, the majority of outstanding loans amounting to 91.71% of the total 66.06 trillion Indonesian rupiahs come from individual loans, while the remaining 8.29% or 5.97 trillion Indonesian rupiahs come from business entity loans. Of the total personal loans, around 51% of those experiencing conjunction are dominated by Generation Z, as 19 to 24 years old, and the millennials is 25 to 34 years old. Next, according to the 2024 National Survey on Financial Literacy and Inclusion conducted by OJK, the level of financial literacy of the Indonesian people was recorded at 65.4%, while the level of financial inclusion reached 75.02%. According to the Indonesian Millennial Report, 51% of millennial money is spent on consumptive purposes. Meanwhile, 10.7% of funds are saved and 2% are invested. As of February 2024, OJK and the PASTI Task Force have stopped 2,481 illegal online loans performed, while complaints related to their activities reached 3,121 reports. There is a research gap due to difference in the result of previous studies and limited research on students. So this research focused on FEBWNJ students in 2021. Based on the background, this study seeks to answer the following question. Question 1. Do financial literacy, lifestyle, and trust affect the intention to use online loans for FEBWNJ students in 2021 either partially or simultaneously? Question 2. To what extent do financial literacy, lifestyle, and trust factor influence the intention of 2021 FEBWNJ students to use online loans? The objective of this study are: Objective 1. Analyzing the effect of financial literacy, lifestyle, and trust on the intention to use online loans for FEB UNJ students in 2021, both partially and simultaneously. Objective 2. Examine the extent to which financial literacy, lifestyle, and trust affect the intention of FEB UNJ student in 2021 to use online loans. This research holds both theoretical and practical benefit. Theoretical benefit, it is hoped that it can add insight into the influence of financial literacy, lifestyle, and trust on the intention to use online loans and become a reference for further research. Practical benefit, it is useful for online loan service providers to understand the factors that influence student intention, for students to be wiser in utilizing online loans, and for universities as a basis for developing financial literacy education for students. Next, the chapter 2 is overview. Linking theory. This study is based on the theory of planet behavior, which explains that an individual's intention to make decisions is influenced by their attitude, subjective norm, and perceived behavior control. Theory of planet behavior based on the explanation from Ajay Sen, Nasaruddin and Sayed, and Marharyani, it can be concluded that the theory of planned behavior is a theory that explains the factors that influence individual intention in making decisions. Next, intention to use online loans in college students. According to the view of Yohanisa, Putri and Amin and Haryanto, it can be concluded that the intention to use online loans in student refers to a person's desire to take advantage of loan service over through digital platform. Next, financial literacy. From the various perspectives put forward by Aji and Bagana, Frederica, and Utailing and Kiotisit, financial literacy can be summarized as a combination of knowledge, skill, and attitudes needed to make smart financial decisions. Lifestyle. Based on the view of Florentina, Gray, and Nikma and Fitriani, lifestyle can be interpreted as a form of consumption behavior life choice that reflect individual values and preference. And the last, trust. From the perspective put forward by Anggreni, Sinaga, and Malika, it can be concluded that trust is an important element in individual and institutional relationship, which plays a role in economic transaction, social relationship, and psychological aspect. Next is previous research. Financial literacy. Research by Chen, Fredika, Perkasa, and Suraya prove the influence of financial literacy on the intention to use online loans, while Aji and Bagana found the opposite. Lifestyle research by Greer, Haryanto, Sugiarto, and Rahmawati saw the influence of lifestyle on the intention to use online loans, while Florentina, Nikma, and Fitriani, and Putri and Priyana found of their voice. Trust, research by Anggreni, Putri and Aryani, Putri and Amin saw the effect of trust on the intention to use online loans, while Dezo and Lowenzins and Malika found the opposite. Drawing from citing literature and theoretical consideration, the hypotheses proposed in this study are as follows. Hypothesis 1. Financial literacy has a positive effect on the intention to use online loans on students. Hypothesis 2. Lifestyle has a positive effect on the intention to use online loans on students. Hypothesis 3. Trust has a positive effect on the intention to use online loans on students. And the last, hypothesis 4, financial literacy, lifestyle, and trust variable simultaneously have a significant effect on the intention to use online loans for students. Next, the chapter 3 is research method. Time. The research is 5 months, February until June 2025, 3 month data collection, 2 month data processing. Population and sample. The population of this study were students of the FEB Education Study Program class of 2021 with a calculated sample of 172 students. The place in Fakultas Ekonomi Bisnis Universitas Negeri Jakarta, Jalan Wangka Raya nomor 11, Jakarta Timur, DKI Jakarta. Okay, next, the instrument development. Year variable indicator. According to Putri Priyono, Perkasa Zoraya, and Putri Amin, perceived uses of use, perceived risk, perceived benefit, and perceived credible. X1 variable indicator, according to Yuhanisa et al., Zelian Jayanti Margareta et al., and Ajib and Bagana, is knowledge, skill, attitudes, and behavior. X2 variable indicator, according to Haryanto, Waroka Fadila Sugiarto Rahmawati, is activities, interests, opinions, and social status. And the last, X3 variable indicator, according to Anggraini, Putri Eriani Malika, is quality, reputation, information transparency, and service quality. Okay, data collection technique, research method is quantitative. And data search, primary data of FEB Education Study Program student in 2021. Survey technique as online questionnaire distribution, Likert scale. Data analysis technique, instrument test, validity test, reliability test, classical assumption test, normality test, linearity test, and multiple linear regression, hypothesis test, test, partial, ELF test, simultaneous, and test coefficient of determination atau RT. Okay, the last this research is expected to provide a comprehensive understanding of how financial literacy, lifestyle, and trust influence student intention to use online loans. The finding may also serve as a foundation for policy recommendation regarding financial literacy education for students. Thus concludes my presentation of this research proposal. Thank you for your attention. I'm now open to any question you may have. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.